Introducing variables. Now it is time for us to play with some variables, which are very important concept in coding. So variable is an important concept in coding. So now we are introducing some variables, and where a lot of logic and versatility comes in. That means in variables a lot of logic and versatility is included. Essentially, a variable is a shorthand for piece of data that can be used to represent that data, such as health or player's name in the future. So variable is used for uh, representing data such as health and player's name. In future, the chances are, if you can think back to math at school, you will find you have encountered variables in past. Remember puzzles like this: 10 plus x is equal to 13, then find x. So this was a puzzle which included a variable called x. Well, in this case, x is a variable that happens to represent 3. But if we were to write it like this: 10 plus x is equal to what? We can change the speed that our character moves at by replacing 1 with the variable called move speed. But first we need to define what move speed means by initializing it. So now our code looks like this. So that means we can use a variable for changing our move speed. So this is a code by which we can change the moving speed of our character using Unity engine, using system dot collections, public class player, mono behavior, public rigid body 2D RB, public int move speed. So use this for initialization. Now void start RB is equal to get component rigid body 2D move speed 2. Update is called once per frame, void update. So with this code, Squarey will move just the same before, but this time at twice the speed. So Squarey is going to move twice the speed with this script. When we created our variable, I use some terminology that will be useful to understand int. For example, it's short for integer, which is a type of variable that stores whole number. Whenever you define variable, you always need to tell C# what type of variable you are working with. A few useful ones to know at this point are integers, a whole number; float, a floating point variable, is a number with decimal point. Now boolean, a variable that can be true or false, or 1 or 0. Now string, a text variable. Meanwhile, public means that the variable can be accessed from outside the script. In fact, this means that we can even edit our move speed from Unity UI. So we can even edit our moving speed. To do that, delete the line that says move speed is equal to 2 and then select the player game object in Unity. You should see that there is now a move speed box in the inspector. So we don't need script actually. We can use Unity's user interface also to change the move speed.